I'm Taylor Lamanna, and I am here with my student Lorene today, and I'm going to take her through a little Wunda sequence. So we are going to start with the spring hooked on one number 3, counting from the bottom up. And the other spring is just going to kind of hang out for right now. Now she's in a side-seated position, and we do have a little sticky underneath her just to make sure that there isn't any slippage with our yoga pants. So we're going to start with this left leg in the front of the chair and with this foot hooked over the edge. Now the opposite leg is going to extend out to the side with a little energy through the ball of the foot and start with the arms out to the sides. As we take a nice big inhale to prepare, we're going to connect into the back body just a little bit here and side bend over. Exhale, press the pedal down and find a nice big side bend, reaching energy through the arm. We're finding lots of length here. Come back up tall through the center, counterbalance by taking the right hand to the knee and send the arm up. And now we're stretching opposite. Let's do that 2 more times on this side, taking the arms out and give it a lift and press over. Feeling the expansion here through this top side, lifting tall and give it a stretch opposite direction. Gorgeous. Ribs are staying over the pelvis. We're maintaining that alignment. That's gorgeous. One more time, taking the arms out and up and over. Length even down through that leg, reaching out through the arm. Last time, up and side bend over, opposite direction. Gorgeous. Now we're going to come to a side lying position on the hips. So up nice and tall. You're going to extend the legs out to the sides, stacking the legs. You're on the bottom hip. Left hand or bottom hand's coming to the pedal. Good, and it does take a little bit of a wiggle to find where that edge right is. Perfect. And then let's extend the right arm up to the ceiling. The legs are going to stay stacked, and we're looking here that the pelvis does not move. Now, as the arm reaches towards the ceiling, this is a bit of a rib translation up to the sky, and then we're going to press back down to where the body is parallel to the floor. We want to start to establish that because that's going to be our next position. And press up towards the sky. And then lower back down. She's doing a great job stabilizing here. Active through transverse abdominis. This is gorgeous. And one more time, we're going to slide up. Now find where that straight line is again, back parallel to the floor with the torso. Now let's challenge the stability here by moving the leg. So we're going to point the top foot and go ahead and abduct the leg towards the ceiling, lifting from where the femur meets the hip socket, and then we lower the leg back down. Now nothing moves in this upper body. Again, lift the leg. And lower back down. We have one more. 3 is going to be our magic number here. And lift and lower. Now she did such a great job with that. Let's challenge it a little bit more. So a little lift of the leg. And then could we swing it forward? And then back just a little bit. So this is a side kick like, but the range of motion is going to be a bit smaller. Travel with that leg forward, holding nice and tight through the center. This is difficult, very nice. And extend that leg back behind the bottom leg, just finding a little hip extension. And then stack the legs and ride the pedal, come on up to seated. So now we're gonna transition with a torso press back. So you're facing the back end of the chair. The sticky is still coming in handy here. Now we want to find your balance position on the back of the sacrum and take the hands to the foot pedal. So we got a nice deep scoop of the tail and legs in tabletop 4 now. Now press the torso back. That's what's going to be moving the spring. And then bring ribs to hips as if you were rounding over a big ball that is on the torso. Perfect. And again, press it back. Now the head is an extension of the spine, so it is easy to kind of drop or extend the head forward in this space in front of us. So can we keep it in line with the spine? One more time. And then we're going to add a little fun variation. At the top, we're going to extend the legs into your teaser position and then bend as you press back. And then extend at the top. And the reason why I like this one, I think this is a nice transition to get into this. You just have one more. Because we have the legs extending at the top and then your center of gravity as you press back. But let's challenge it again and keep the legs extended the whole time. So as the legs stay extended, you're pressing back, looking gorgeous, and exhale, round up and over. You're doing a great job. You just have 2 more. And press it back. Now, if extending the legs feels like, ooh, hamstrings, right? You can soften the knees just a little bit. And this is your last one. Excellent. And back up. Bend the knees and let the weight of the legs rock you forward to seated. Now we would turn around to the other side and of course do the other side of your side stretch and the side lying series to complete your little movement sequence. Thank you for watching this Balanced Body video.